Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica and I'm back to another unboxing. This time I have my Birchbox for the month of March. Here is the box for this month. I think it's a really nice print for this month with those roses, and the colors are pretty cute. So let's see what we have in this one. Also, they just announced that the subscription will gonna get the price increased. Not so pleasant, but anyway, here is Birchbox. Also, I just ordered from their website a spring box, a limited edition box, which is around 50 something dollars, but it's way worth the money. It's a beautiful box with beautiful products. I will leave the link down below if you wanna check that one. As usual, all the limited edition boxes from them are great, and of course has a value over 200 and something dollars value. So let's see what we have for March in this box. It's very light as usually. Here is the card. Invent the reality you want to live. So we have here the prices for the full sizes. Of course we don't have the full sizes in here. And the first item, and also what is gonna be new, instead of one curated box they will have two. So it's quite a lot to choose with the samples. The sample that you can choose were from two curated boxes. It's not bad. So I think it's getting better, but the price also increases. So first item that I have in here, it's Oribe Grandiose Hair Plumping Mousse. It's a deluxe sample. If you watch my channel, you know I love Oribe, but they are way too expensive to buy their products with the full price, and I always buy them from FabFitFun. About this one in a full size is $39. Amp up the volume with this Lux mousse that delivers crunch free bouncy body. Work a golf ball size doll up through dumb hair, then scrunch. So that's a great item for me. I love Oribe. Then we have from Kiehl's, we have Midnight Recovery Botanical Cleansing Oil. This one in a full size is $32. It says here the Pure Botanical Oil to make cleanser dissolve stubborn makeup without over drying your skin, leaving it clean, balanced and refreshed. So it's a good sample. It's a sample anyway, but you can get probably several days of usage from this one. So here is the second item in my box, and then we have my Clarions. It's Recharge. This is relaxing sleep mask. I'm using a bigger size right now. This is a very tiny sample, probably 2 usage from this one. Looks like this. At least this one, it seems to be full. The one that I'm using, and it's kind of like this bigger, it's half empty. It came like that. Anyway, it's a pretty nice overnight mask. This one in full size is $27. It says this rebalancing mask detoxifies with flower waters and recharges with energizing fig and acerola seed extract, making your skin glowy by morning. So I really like the mask. Then we have a brush, of course, from Luxie, and this one is Luxie 213 eye shading. So is this one. I cannot count how many brushes I got in subscription boxes. Anyway, this one is $12 with this rose gold blush with soft synthetic bristles that are vegan and hypoallergenic to apply the eyeshadow trio. It can also be used with cream or liquid formula. So there is an eyeshadow, and this one is from Model Co Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. I'm not gonna open this one because I got this one in Allure subscription box last month, so I will leave this one the way it is for giveaways. it's not worth it for me to open two of them, but it's a pretty nice trio with nice really nice shades. And then the last item in here is Benefit Bad Girl Bang, is the deluxe sample mascara that we all know. The model eyeshadow, it's $18, and this one, the mascara in a full size, is $25. This water resistant mascara formula uses one of the lightest known particulates in space to weightlessly lengthen and lift your lashes up to 36 hours. Who is wearing 36 hours of mascara? Not me anyway. This is the last product in here. It's not a bad box. I like the samples in this month. I tried the mascara and I like it. I tried this one and it's a great one. This is really tiny, probably 2-3 usage from this one. Kills, it's very well known. Love Oribe. Great to have a brush anytime, a replacement, and of course the trio, which I will leave for giveaways. So speaking about giveaways, if anybody up there knows how the new regulation on YouTube works about giveaways, please let me know down below, because it seems like all the subscribers I got in my last giveaway are not counting by from YouTube, so something is going on there. So if you happen to know how to do a legit giveaway, or if there are any new information that I don't know about giveaways, I will really appreciate, guys, if you can leave them down below. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys very soon with a haul. In the meantime, have an amazing day. Bye bye.